Hey guys, thanks for joining me for this quick tip today. It's not a tutorial, but it's an interesting little tip that I think you might find helpful. It's about cleaning the stains out of your palette. I couldn't remember where I had come across this tip, but I was able to find it. Yay! So I am giving full credit to Eve Bolt, who is a wonderful artist and fellow Canadian. She also has a YouTube channel. It's Eve Bolt Art and Cats, and I will put the link to her channel in the description box below. So thanks again, Eve, for this wonderful tip, and let's get on with the demo. I'll start off by saying I don't normally clean the stains out of my palette because it's nice that you have a worked-in palette, because when you mix your paints on there, it doesn't all bead up like it does on a brand new palette. So when it beads up, it's hard to tell really what your washes are going to look like and what the intensity of them are. So that's why I like to work in a worked-in palette. However, in this case, I was using cerulean blue and it really stained my palette. And I like to reserve my wells for mixing certain colors because of the staining. Anyway, like I say, I was using cerulean blue and it highly stained this entire well. So I've cleaned half of it there, so I'm sorry, but it was completely stained quite badly. And if I was to take and mix a light orange or a light tanny brown color, I wouldn't really be able to tell what the color really looked like if it was all blue underneath. So there's a lot of methods out there that I have come across for cleaning your palette, toothpaste being one of them, and most of them are abrasive. So that's just going to make your palette stain worse in the future. So the best thing that I have found is a white eraser. Now, this is just a cheap one that I found at the dollar store. So I just thought I would show you before I got this well completely cleaned up. But I'm going to apologize. My desk may kind of bounce around a bit because you've got to use a fair amount of pressure. Not too bad, but you'll see that this works quite well at getting the stains up. Okay? Now, unfortunately, it is going to kind of make this like a brand new surface, and it's going to bead up again. But it's not a big deal. I'd rather live with that than have a well that I can't properly mix colors in. So you can see it works quite well. I haven't tried other erasers. If you do try other erasers and they work, excellent, let me know. And let me know in the comments section below. Now I'm just going to clean out the the kind of eraser kind of bits, and I'll come back and show you what I mean about the beading. Okay, so I've got some cadmium red on my brush here, and I'll just mix it there. And as you can see, it beads right away, okay? As opposed to this mixing well that I didn't clean, okay? So you can see it doesn't bead up. I mean, it beads up a little bit, it comes together, but nowhere near like, this is like what it's like with a brand new palette. So you can see what happens there. But like I say, this problem far outweighed the issue I was having with having the blue all underneath there. So like I say, this is not a tutorial, just a quick tip, but I thought you guys might find it helpful. And if you do try other erasers or have other methods for cleaning stains out of palettes, let me know in the comment section below. And that's it, guys. And next time I see you, it's going to be more of a tutorial. So take care, and I'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye for now.